Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well today. Today we'll be talking about what is an order of operation. Now before we dive into what is an order of operation, let's think why it's important. So I'm going to write this equation, or 3 times 5 plus 4, and the same thing on this side, 3 times 5 plus 4. Now, maybe I can do, 5 plus 4 is 9, so 3 into 9 is 27. Or I can do 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Now, this one on the right side, this is the correct one. And why is that? Well, if we don't follow certain order of operations, then we can get several answers, such as here. So that's why we use something called as PEMDAS. My bad, PEMDAS. And this stands for P for parentheses. Parentheses is basically your brackets. E for exponents, like 2 squared, where 2 right here is our exponent. Then comes multiplication and division, such as this and that. And it says left to right, which means that if in any operation you have multiplication and division, you always have to do multiplication, whatever is on the left side, and then you go to the right, no matter what it is. And then lastly, it is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. This is also from left to right. Now let's try some examples. Our first example, let's take 1 plus 3 times 8 minus 5. Now, if it helps you, you can always write the abbreviation on the side, like I'm doing here, PEMDAS. So I know that we first have to start with the parentheses. So let's start with that. Let's start working what's inside the parentheses. 1 plus 3 is 4. That we bring down, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now that this is out of the parentheses, we can remove the parentheses. Now we can multiply them. We don't have any exponent, so we can skip that and go to multiplication because that's what's next. So 4 times 3 is 12. The next question is a bit tricky, but I'm sure we can do it together. 8 plus 6 times 3 squared plus 3. Once again, I'm going to write PEMDAS on the side. Now, what do we have to start in? We have to start with P, so we have to start with the inside, whatever is inside the parentheses. Now, we have an exponent, so that's what we're going to solve first. So everything remains the same, but we have to solve the exponent. So 3 squared is just 3 times 3, which is 9. So 6 into 9 plus 3. Now, we have to do multiplication. So we're going to do 6 times 9. So 8 plus 54 plus 3. Now, because we have to still solve within the bracket, we're going to do 54 plus 3, which is basically 57. So we're doing 8 plus 57. And then lastly, we don't have any division, so we're going to skip to addition and add those two, which comes to 65. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Algebra Star, or visit algebrastar.com. Once again, thanks and stay safe.